So, like I just said, I'm just gonna kind of, oh, there we go.
Man, it's getting hot. Hi guys. Put your phone away, please. Time for the pledge.
Good morning, Spartans. Would you please stand for the pledge? Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The back-to-back North Hills League champion girls basketball team will be holding tryouts for their 2021-2022 JV and varsity teams tomorrow, September 8th, from 3:30 to 5 in the main gym. Please wear basketball shoes and appropriate basketball attire. If you have any questions, please speak to Coach Willis in room 205. The National Honor Society is accepting new members who are current juniors. Stop by Miss Barrington's room, T12, for more info. Completed applications are due by today, September 7th. Boys soccer tryouts will start today, September 7th, and Thursday, September 9th, at 4:30 to 6 p.m. at the JV soccer field. Please wear appropriate soccer attire. Baseball tryouts will be held September 20th, 22nd, and 24th from 3 to 5 p.m. Please see Coach Call if you have any questions. Girls soccer tryouts are September 14th, 21st, and 23rd at 3:30 to 5 at the BPHS backfield. Please wear appropriate soccer attire. Esports will be hosting tryouts this week for their competitive teams, starting today with Valorant, Wednesday Chess, and Thursday Rocket League. Games will be played online via our Discord. Have any questions, please go see Mr. Larios in R2. Attention students with demerits. You can clear demerits by serving lunch detention daily with Mr. Willis in room 205. Please report at the beginning of lunch. Dress code violations. Based upon California Education Code, the following guidelines are to be followed. All pants must fit without alteration at the natural waistline. Clothing should refrain from representing inappropriate messages that interrupt the school environment and are not permitted. Shirts, blouses, and pants must cover and not reveal underwear and midriff. Tube, backless, see-through, or strapless tops are also not permitted. Any clothing with spikes or protruding objects that may serve as a danger are not permitted. Students will be asked to change as available. Parents may be contacted to provide a change of clothing. Multiple infractions may result in students being placed on in-house suspension or be suspended from school for up to 3 days. The Hello Dance will be this Saturday, September 11th from 7 to 10 p.m. Tickets will be on sale starting today at lunch. They are $10 with ASB and $20 without. Good luck to our girls varsity and JV teams, tennis teams, as they play Marina today. Also, good luck to our girls golf teams as they play El Dorado today. And congratulations to our varsity football team for winning their game against Upland last Friday. Thank you, Spartans. This is Mackenzie Kim, your ASB Vice President. And this is Malia Carrasco, your ASB President. Have a terrific...
Very good. All right, Oscar, put your phone away, please, while we're just giving out instruction. Damon, put your phone away, please, while we're giving out instruction.
Cool. All right, today it won't be like too rigorous today. So I'm just gonna like re-go over, just review with you guys what we went over last time. I just wanted you guys to kind of remember about
The solar system.
Yeah, it's like just exactly remember about the solar system. I wanted you guys to remember just like the relative distances of the planets. I don't want you guys to remember the exact distance because those are too big. But I just want you, obviously the order of the planets, the color is really important. When we do the model, I'm gonna be like definitely grading you guys on if the color is accurate or not. So just be using Google and stuff like that. So I'm gonna review that. I'm gonna be handing back the activity you guys did last class. Everyone did a really good job. And then what I'm going to have you guys do is just a little bit of research. So you could use your Chromebooks or Dynabooks, and I want you guys to just write 2 facts per planet. And also a couple facts about the asteroid belt, and a couple facts about the sun. I just want a little bit more than just the color and I guess what it's made of, because we all know which ones are gas and which ones are rocks. If you want to say the specific gases they're made of, that'd be really cool. So I just want 2 facts at least per object in here. And you guys can just write it on the back here. So that's all I want. And then before we do that, that'll be like our final activity. Before we do that, I'm just gonna go through the materials with you guys of the model, and then just talk about how we're gonna do it and stuff like that, all right? Okay, so first things first, who can name me what the planets revolve around?
The sun.
There you go. All right, Yair, what's the first planet after the sun? It's okay if you just take a guess. Okay, that's okay. What about Damon? First one after the sun.
What?
First planet after the sun. Not Mars. Mercury. What's after Mercury?
Venus.
What's after Venus?
Mars.
Oh, sorry, I should come to you after that. What's after Venus?
Mars? Right?
There you go. What's after Earth?
Mars?
There you go. All right. What's after Mars?
Jupiter.
What's after Jupiter? Got the rings.
Saturn.
Okay, there you go. You know the second to last one? One. What's the second to last planet?
Uranus.
Huh?
Neptune.
Oh no, you said it first.
Oh, Uranus.
Let's pronounce it
Uranus.
Uranus. There we go, Uranus.
Oh.
And then the last planet, right over here. You got it. You can do it. You don't know?
Neptune.
Okay, thanks, Juan. All right. So we knew that. So good job, guys. So I want you guys to remember like the colors, okay? What I didn't notice this last time we were when I was doing this, but you guys can look up there, and they're all the planets are there, and all those pictures look like those are like actual photos from the Voyager missions that we were talking about. So remember we were talking about the Voyager missions? You guys remember how much longer it's going to take for the Voyager to leave the solar system?
3 years.
No.
That's enough.
Close enough. You guys remember? It was in the thousands. It's take about 20,000 more years for the Voyager to leave the solar system. I just wanted to tell you guys that so you guys realize how big the solar system is, okay? Eventually, after we're done with the model, the initial model, we'll probably just start introducing more stuff in the solar system, like we were talking about the neutron stars last time, and we'll start adding in some like nebulas and stuff like that, okay? So pretty much, that's honestly all the review I wanted you guys to do. So I'm going to, do you guys want me to write up that model I had last time? Like that little pictures I drew? Or are you guys cool? You guys just want to use your worksheet? Want to use your worksheet? All right. So before we go into the research part of today, I'm just going to introduce you guys to the model. So everyone just look over here, because it would kind of be a hassle to bring it all over there. So what we're thinking of doing, we're trying to find a way to cut these walls in half, so you guys can just glue it straight on there. Probably a little easier. Okay, what do you guys think this is going to be used for?
Sun.
Perfect. Okay, someone other than Juan, what are these going to be used for? Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Good job. Ooh, actually, these ones might be used for some of the bigger ones. So what are What are the bigger planets? The three biggest planets?
Jupiter.
Probably just the two biggest planets.
Nope.
Perfect. So this is gonna be Sun. We're gonna use these for Saturn and Jupiter. And what are these slightly smaller ones for?
Mercury.
And Venus, Earth, Mars. The last two, perfect. Neptune, Uranus. And eventually, what do planets, what does our planet have that we like to look up at in the sky at night?
Moon.
Yeah. Do you guys think that other planets have moons?
Yes.
Ooh. See, that'll be something that we'll learn about later. It's actually really interesting moons. There's a lot of different moons out there. I think Jupiter has about 70 moons. I could be wrong. I think it's about that. So, we're going to be adding those eventually. These will be used for the moons. What is in between? What separates the inner planets and outer planets? Asteroid belt. You think these are going to be good for the asteroid belt? Awesome. Okay. So we're also going to paint all the foam balls. We have colors here. What's this going to be probably?
The sun. Mars.
Yeah, you could use that for Mars, like mix in a little bit of red. We're going to have to do some mixing. Or I might grab some extra paint colors before we start the model. We probably won't start it for another couple days, right, Ms. Schmidt?
Whenever you guys are ready.
Yeah, okay. So whenever you guys, I'm gonna honestly let,
That's okay.
so whenever you guys are ready, I think we'll be ready soon. Like, because I think today we're just gonna be doing research and you guys already have the information. So I just want you guys to be comfortable with the planets and everything before we actually do the model. Because the model is what you guys are gonna be graded on, and the model needs to be accurate, okay? So we're gonna wait till everyone's comfortable. I assume everyone will be pretty good after today. Because I think today with the research, it'll be really good. So, we have all the paint. We're gonna provide you guys with the brushes. You don't need to bring anything. Also, we provide you with some paint palettes over here, so you can put the paint on there. And then we're gonna try to cut them. We're gonna glue them right here on this poster board. This is gonna be like the blackness of space, alright? Okay. Cool. You guys ready to just do some research today? I mean, you guys are just gonna be just Googling stuff, maybe looking for, I don't know, going like space.com or like nasa.com or something like that. Just do some research on the solar system. I want to know at least 2 facts about every planet and the asteroid belt and the sun. And then I want you guys to write it on the back of your papers. Okay. You guys cool with that? Any questions? Huh? Oh, okay. And I will write all that on the board so you guys remember. Just refer to this if you guys ever are having trouble remembering the planets and the order and stuff, just refer to this. All right, any questions? You guys all
know
good?
what you're doing? Have you been on your phone the whole time? I'm gonna take it from you. I don't know why I'm looking right at you.
Yeah, I know what we're doing.
No, I actually do.
All right, Francisco's not here. Oscar? Okay.
No.
John's not here.
Came in here mad.
Jesus, right? Damon.
Oh, yeah, this is
Lonzy not here. And Kimberly? Okay, I didn't. Kimberly or Joanne? I was trying to make sure I didn't switch you guys. Get closer. No problem. Yeah, you. Good job. And then Joanna's not here, right? That was her, right? Okay. Cool. I'm guessing this one's yours. Didn't have your. Oh no, your name was right there.